Hello everyone, have a pleasant day. This is Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Today we are going to see problems in methods of remuneration and incentive systems. Let us start with time and piece wages. Let us start with directly problem. Mr. A worker in a factory is paid on time basis. During the month of October 2018, he has worked for 200 hours. His hourly wages rate is rupees 10 per hour. Mr. B, another employee of the company, is paid on the basis of piece wages. During the month of October 2018, his output was 1000 units. The rates of wages per piece is rupees 3. This is the problem. Calculate the wages of respective workers for the month of October 2018. So here this is the problem. Here we have to calculate the time and piece wages separately for worker Mr. A and Mr. B. For Mr. A, they asked to calculate on the basis of time wages. And for Mr. B, they asked to calculate a piece wages. So time wages, the formula is time wages equal to hours worked multiplied with rate per hour. Then for piece wages, the number of pieces multiplied with rate per piece, the number of pieces produced by the worker. That is, we have to note it. So let us see the solution or answer, that is wages of worker Mr. A. So here time wages, we have to calculate time wages. So time wages formula, hours worked multiplied with rate per hours. So here hours worked, how many hours he worked? 200 hours during the month. And his hourly wage rate is rupees 10 per hour. So the A's time wage is equal to 200 hours multiplied with rupees 10. That is equal to rupees 2000. Then let us calculate wages of worker B. Then piece rate. As you know the formula, piece wages equal to the number of pieces produced by the worker multiplied with rate per piece. Therefore, Mr. B's piece wages equal to, he produced 1000 units. So 1000 units multiplied with rate per wages per piece is 3. So multiplied with 3, that is equal to rupees 3000. Let us see another problem. In a factory, workers are paid at rupees 50 per hour. During the month of April 2018, there were 25 working days of 8 hours each. So in a month of April, their working days is 25 working days, and in each working day they worked 8 hours. There is also a piece work plan wherein rupees 10 is to be paid per piece produced. So there is about a piece work plan also in that factory itself. So the piece work is rupees 10 is to be paid per piece which is produced. So during the month, worker X produced an average 48 pieces per working day. So at the time, the wages of worker X under time wages and piece wages. So here we want to calculate the worker A alone under two different situations. The two different situation is time wages and piece wages, so that we can easily calculate in which plan he gets benefit. So let us see the plan. First one is time wages. The worker X's wages under the time wage system, that is equal to the days worked in a month multiplied with hours per day multiplied with wages per hour. So he worked 25 days, 8 hours. Then wages per hour is 50 hours, 50 rupees. So that he receives 10,000 rupees. Then worker X's wages under a piece wage system. So here the pieces produced by worker X is 48 in a day. So that he works in 25 days. So 48 into 25. So per piece is 10 rupees. So it is multiplied with 10. So that you will get 12,000 rupees. So here he will get when he goes a plan under piece wage system. So this is how you are required to calculate the piece wage and time wages. Hope you understood, and balance in the next class. Until then, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.